everyone, in this video I'm going to show you my next game from my ongoing speedrun where my opponent tries a flank attack. Watch till the end to see why he failed. So I played this game with white pieces. I started with e4, e6, the French defense. I played knight to c3 and instead of playing d5 in order to fight for some central squares, my opponent plays bishop to c5. In general, this is a good move. Well, in general, because as we know, we need to develop our pieces in the beginning of the game, especially pieces on the king side, starting from the king side, right? My opponent didn't take into account my plan of white. He didn't even probably think that white can play d4. By playing d4, I immediately attack bishop on c5, I get control over more central squares, and I win time, I win tempo, which is very important in chess, of course. So black has to move his bishop one more time, bishop goes to b4. Now I continue with knight f3 move, I develop my second piece, b6. Well, okay, bishop goes to d3, now bishop goes to a6. I cannot say that this is a bad move, but usually we don't play like this. We don't try to put our bishop on, to develop our bishop this way. I didn't take this bishop, I just ignored it and I castled. But why is it inaccuracy? It's maybe because it was better for me to take on a6, knight takes a6, let me show you, and only then maybe castle, or maybe play queen d3 attacking this knight. Maybe queen d3 is even slightly better move because I'm attacking this knight. In case of bishop takes c3, I can take back with the queen and keep my good pawn structure on the queen side. So my position is good. Pieces are developed, I have space, I have control in the center, like I have everything. Black needs to protect this knight somehow. I don't even know how. Moving back, it's a big waste of time. Queen c8, well, also not a great plan. But okay, I castled. h5. My opponent plays h5. So this is not a good move. This is not a good move. This is not a good plan. Apparently white decides to attack me on the king side. But black is not prepared for this attack. I developed already my three minor pieces. My queen, even though it is still on d1, it's already like active. It can join the game at any moment. What is happening with black pieces? Queen side, well, here not developed, bishop on a6 doing unclear what. This bishop put some pressure on this knight on c3, but this is not a big problem at all. King side is not developed almost at all. King is in the center of the board. So when you want to attack, at least you need to prepare for this attack somehow, and you need to develop your pieces so these pieces can join your pawns and create some threats. Otherwise, I don't know, even if black manages, and black managed to play h4 on the next move, even after h4 I can play probably h3 and stop this pawn play, or maybe I can just wait for black to reach h3 and then play g3 myself. Well, this kind of attack is not working. Right now I play d5. There is one important chess principle. Let's study it. A flank attack is often best met with a breakthrough in the center. A central breakthrough can neutralize or even completely stop a flank attack. A central breakthrough controls key squares and open lines, open space for your pieces. It forces black to respond in the center instead of continuing his attack on the king side in this case. In some cases, such a breakthrough in the center can completely neutralize your opponent's flank attack and can even turn the initiative in your favor. So, After d5, my opponent makes his first real mistake. He plays e5. Well, now this pawn on e5 is just hanging. Knight takes e5, h4. I play h3. By just playing this one move, I stop the whole plan, the whole attack. g5. Black doesn't give up. Black still wants to attack on the king side. But okay, you still will not be able to push g4 because I have my knight, I have my pawn, and I have my queen protecting this square. Plus, this pawn on g5 is a weak pawn right now. My bishop is attacking it, so there is some pressure already. Queen is currently protecting this pawn, but well, it's not going to end well for black. I play queen f3, attacking f7 2 times. Black plays knight h6, developing knight and protecting pawn on f7. Here I play queen h5. Still there is some pressure on this pawn, and now I'm attacking pawn on g5 2 times. I don't even see how black can protect it. Maybe, well, rook g8 is not working because knight on h6 will be just hanging. f6 is not possible because this pawn is pinned. So black played queen e7. Here, well, this move maybe is, well, not that bad because at least black is attacking my knight. There were probably stronger moves, but I played just queen takes g5. Queen takes g5, f6, another inaccuracy. Now I give check on g6. King goes to d8. Now bishop takes h6. Queen takes e5. And I play bishop to g7, attacking this rook and attacking this pawn on f6. And after rook g8, bishop takes f6. Now I give check. I'm attacking this rook at the same time. I'm attacking the queen. So black plays bishop to e7, and after queen takes g8, we have checkmate on the board. Thank you very much for watching this video till the very end. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, please subscribe to my channel in order not to miss my future videos. Thanks and bye-bye.